The royal blue pipe is the pipe with the most inlets in the world. You can see the big cutouts. It lets the water flow right through it. It actually has more void than you can actually get out of stone. Now I want to show you how we put in catch basins on a solid pipe, and we do not tie them into our French drain pipe. You can see the yellow pipe is connected to the basin. If you look really close there, you can see the basin. The yellow pipe is solid, and then there's another basin on the other side of that stone pile. The green lid is not on it yet, but I wanted to show you guys how simple and easy it is to put basins in while you're building your French drain without tying them into your French drain pipe. Because if all these inlets get plugged full of debris, your French drain is done. So as soon as you connect a catch basin to your French drain perforated pipe, you gave it an expiration date. You gave it a short time before the performance drops off. Now, if you don't tie any catch basins to this pipe, those inlets stay open and it literally works forever. That pipe's rated to last 200 to 500 years. Now again, look at the yellow pipe and the catch basins. Notice how the blue pipe with all the inlets, it does not have any catch basins on it. Only the solid pipe with the green lid right there. You can see the green lid on the catch basin, and on the other side of the stone we dumped, there's another basin that we didn't screw the green lid down yet. So this should help everybody out quite a bit. Preserve the inlets in your French drain pipe and do not put a catch basin on it, because you will slow it down till one day it doesn't work anymore at all. All right, everybody. Until that next video.